Oh, it's not working.
It's not a working thing. It's real.
Oh.
That's why it says, please do not tap the glass.
It's not working.
Look at him right here, guys.
Whoa.
Speak out.
That's a praying mantis.
Why aren't they moving? Because he's...
Look at this one.
Look
at that.
That looks like a leaf.
Look at that one, Alexander. Do you see it?
Look at these snails.
I like it. What are you doing?
Oh, what happened?
What?
No, whatever you did.
I thought you were open.
That one in the back.
Scared me.
Right there.
What's supposed to be in there?
I don't know. But let's just hope it's still in there and it didn't sneak out.
Come on, we gotta find it. We gotta find it. Oh, look, it's that. That's what it looks like.